The wrong name. Welcome back to the channel. I am your host Ethan. Today I have a crazy story. It is about betrayal and karma. Please hit the subscribe button. Let's get started now. It was a freezing night in Chicago. The wind was howling outside. I was exhausted from work. I crawled into bed next to Sarah. We were married for 7 years. I reached out to hold her. She was breathing very fast. She was having a deep dream. Suddenly she pushed me away. She called out a name. Jason, stop it. My blood turned to ice. I am Ethan. Jason is her ex-husband. He was a bad man. The room was silent. My heart sank to the floor. The next morning Sarah was quiet. She looked at my old car keys. She rolled her eyes at me. Ethan, we need a new car. This old Ford is embarrassing. Other moms drive luxury cars. Sarah, we have a mortgage. Lily's school is very expensive. We must save for emergencies. Sarah slammed her mug down. Is money all you think about? You have zero ambition, Ethan. She felt like a total stranger. The flashy ex. Sarah changed after that night. She bought expensive makeup. She always smiled at her phone. One Saturday at the mall, I saw a brand new Porsche. Jason was leaning against it. He wore a flashy suit. Sarah and Lily were there. They were laughing with him. Years ago he left them. Now he looked like a king. I felt like a fool. Wow, Dad, this car is amazing. Lily shouted with joy. It is better than Ethan's junk. Jason laughed very loud. I am a hedge fund manager. I can buy you anything. Unlike some broke losers. Sarah touched his arm gently. Jason, be nice to him. Ethan took care of us. He just picked up my leftovers. Jason sneered at me. 7 years of my love. 7 years of paying bills. I was just a temporary wallet. The ungrateful daughter. I went home and waited. Their faces turned cold. I saw you with Jason today. Sarah didn't hide the truth. Yes, so what? Jason is successful now. He wants to help us. What about the last 7 years? Lily stepped forward with hate. You are just a stepdad. You are completely useless. I wanted Taylor Swift tickets. They cost $2,000. But my real dad said yes. He gave me his credit card. Lily, I saved for your college. I cooked your dinner daily. If you have no money, your love is trash, Lily said. Sarah threw a vase down. Stop it, Ethan. We want a better life. Jason has a special fund. We are going to be rich. You will never understand us. I looked at the broken glass. Just like my broken heart. Fine if you want that life. Let's get a divorce now. The house is in my name. The car is mine too. Go to your billionaire. Sarah smiled and agreed. Who wants this small house? Jason is buying a mansion. We are splitting the savings. I laughed out loud. There is only $3,000 left. Because I spent it on you. Consider it a goodbye gift. The new life. They signed the papers quickly. Jason picked them up. He honked his horn loudly. Sarah walked away without looking. She held a fake designer bag. She thought she was a queen. "Hey buddy, thanks for babysitting," Jason shouted from the car. They drove away fast. I stood there alone. But I felt totally free. I could finally breathe. That night I met Emily. She was a manager at work. She was smart and kind. We went for burgers. She smiled at me. "Congratulations, Ethan." "Congratulations for what?" I asked. "For losing the dead weight. You are a good man." They were blind to see it. We talked for many hours. I felt so easy. I didn't have to apologize. My life got much better. I got a big promotion. Emily and I started dating. She liked me for me. The crash. I heard rumors about Sarah. Jason's company was huge. Everyone was investing money. Sarah's parents gave their savings. Lily dropped out of school. She spent money like water. Then 6 months later, everything crashed down. I saw the morning news. FBI raids Ponzi scheme. Jason Smith wanted for fraud. He stole $10 million. He ran away to another country. He left Sarah with nothing. Sarah was the CEO. She was the scapegoat. My phone rang suddenly. It was Sarah crying. "Ethan, please help me. The bank is taking everything. Angry investors are threatening us. I am scared, Ethan." I listened quietly. I felt no love anymore. "Sarah, we are divorced." "Ethan, I was tricked. Jason lied to us. Remember Lily, she misses you. She wants her daddy back." I interrupted her quickly. "She called me a loser. Did she think of her daddy? You chose the money. Now pay the price." I blocked her number. The ending. A few months later, Emily and I got married. At City Hall I saw them. Sarah looked 10 years older. Her clothes were dirty. She looked tired and broken. Lily sat on the ground. She ate a cheap sandwich. When they saw me, Sarah ran over to us. "Ethan, you came for us. I knew you loved me." Emily stepped in front. "Ethan is marrying me." Sarah froze in place. She looked at the ring. "But what about us? I have nowhere to go. You destroyed our family. You chose money over people. This is your lesson, Sarah." Lily had tears in her eyes. "Dad, I am sorry. Jason was a bad man. Can we go home now? I promise to be good." My heart hurt a little. But I knew the truth. They would use me again. "Lily, I loved you. But you broke my heart. You chose your real dad. Now live with that choice." I took Emily's hand. We walked into the building. Sarah was screaming behind us. I didn't look back. The sun was shining. Marriage is about walking together. Don't please ungrateful people. It is never too late. Start your new life today. Thank you for listening. Please like and comment. See you next time.